You've spent weeks building a beautiful website or landing page, but your users are dropping off before they even hit submit. They aren't just leaving, they're getting lost in the digital maze. Hi, I'm Jeremiah, founder of Ungram.co. I've helped brands like Fitness First and Tungkit Lanso Beef Noodle turn confusing digital platforms into seamless user experiences. In this WSQ User Experience and User Interface Design Essentials course, I'll show you how to design for the human on the other side of the screen. Even if you don't have a background in design, you'll learn how to apply the 5 steps of design thinking to solve business issues, map out customer journeys that make sense, sketch wireframes that communicate your ideas clearly, and evaluate your site for accessibility and visual hierarchy. It's about making your digital presence intuitive, accessible, and high performing. Stop building for yourself and start designing for your users. Join me at Equinet Academy and let's build digital